Residents in a mountain neighborhood say they were blindsided after the DOT did a poor job repaving their road. Folks who live in the Ashley Woods development in Arden say they were never notified that prior to the work was being done. News 13's Katie Killen joins us now. Katie, why are residents so concerned?
Tammy, they say DOT workers left behind tar on driveways and curbs. They also say the road didn't need fixed. But the DOT says the job was actually maintenance work and a way to avoid making major repairs later.
If pictures are worth 1,000 words, then Carolina Bluebird Loop is much more than a road.
It is a great meeting point for neighbors to catch up on the happenings of the day and just enjoy life together.
This was the road last weekend. This is the road today.
Most everybody's driveway has tar sprayed on it, and people are now tracking it into their homes. Pets are walking on it. Kids are bringing it in.
Marty Nicholson is vice president of the Homeowners Association at Ashley Woods.
One of the problems is that people bought in here with an asphalt road. This is now totally different.
Others worry over the cost of repairing a road that didn't need repaired.
Like, if this is what our tax dollars are going for, then it's a waste of taxpayer money.
Chad Bandy says the DOT used a combination of gravel and tar over the asphalt road.
What we did was a preventive maintenance measure. So the road was not in terrible shape by any means. But if we go in and do that type of treatment at this point, then that prevents any major rehab later.
Asphalt wasn't used because the tar option is cheaper. Bandy says residents, even in a subdivision, aren't typically notified of road work, and the DOT is looking into cleaning up the mess.
Look, if there's something we need to clean off some of the edges, we'll be more than happy to do that.
Speaking of rough edges, homeowners say a little communication could have gone a long way to smooth things over.
No one was notified, and I think that's another frustration, is just the courtesy call, letter, to say we're coming out on these days, this is what we're doing.
Chad Bandy says the DOT will be back to sweep the road, and that will smooth out some of that tar and gravel. He says eventually that road will look like asphalt. Meanwhile, the Homeowners Association is planning an emergency meeting tonight to discuss their options.